Hello guys, say goodbye to spreadsheet and say hello to a powerful, user-friendly management system your team will love. Looking for an affordable and reliable solution to manage your assets? Snipe-IT is the open-source asset management system designed to help you keep track of all your assets without the high costs. Need help getting started? Don't worry, we offer low-cost installation and configuration support that ensures Snipe-IT is up and running smoothly in no time. Whether you're setting up your server, configuring your database, or customizing the platform to fit your needs, we've got you covered. Our support is simple, affordable, and tailored to your needs, so you can focus on what matters most, managing your assets. We'll guide you through every step of the process, ensuring the setup is as seamless as possible, all while keeping costs low. Contact us today to get expert help with installing and configuring Snipe-IT without breaking the bank. Let's make asset management easy, efficient, and budget-friendly.